In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to in Microsoft Forms working with text questions. We'll start right in Microsoft Forms. Open your browser and head to the Forms homepage, then sign in if prompted. From here, either open an existing form you want to update or create a brand new one. If you're starting fresh, give your form a clear title so respondents immediately understand the purpose. Next, add your text question. Select Add New, then choose text from the list of question types. This is perfect for open-ended responses, names, identifiers, or short notes, anytime you need respondents to type their own answer. Type your question in the question field. Keep it concise and action-oriented. For example, instead of describe your experience, you might say, please describe your experience with our product. Clear phrasing helps respondents give better answers. If you want to emphasize certain words, highlight them in the question title to reveal a formatting toolbar. You can apply bold to key terms, use italics for clarifications, underline sparingly for emphasis, change font color for visual cues, or adjust font size to make critical parts stand out. Use these options thoughtfully so your question stays readable and accessible. High contrast colors and minimal formatting generally work best. To add helpful context without cluttering the main title, open the three dots in the bottom right corner of the question and select Subtitle. Use this space for examples, definitions, or brief instructions like example include version number or responses are visible to the review team. Choose the expected answer length. Short answer is ideal for concise inputs like first and last names, order numbers, or single words. Long answer provides a larger text box for paragraphs or detailed feedback. Selecting the right length sets expectations and improves response quality. Apply restrictions, also known as data validation, to keep your data clean. Toggle restrictions on and choose the rule that fits your needs. For instance, you can require numbers only or set limits on the length of a response. This prevents invalid entries, reduces back and forth, and makes analysis easier later. Finally, set up branching logic to control what happens after someone answers this question. Open the branching settings and choose where respondents should go next, another question, a specific section, or the end of the form. This keeps forms efficient by skipping irrelevant questions and personalizing the path. That's it. By crafting a clear question, formatting for clarity, adding a helpful subtitle, selecting the right answer length, validating inputs, and guiding the flow with branching, you'll get more accurate, useful responses from your Microsoft Forms text questions.